Hello, friends. Good morning to all of you. I'm here again with some good thing for you. How can you improve your English? Okay. Here we are going to speak today. How can you speak in past situation? My dear friends, if we have to speak in past situation, then what tense we have to use? Do you know? No. If you don't know, then listen. You have to use here simple past tense. What do you have to use here? Simple past tense. Simple past tense, what is the structure of simple past tense? Subject plus second form of the verb plus object. Subject second form verb का और object. अभी देखिए, आप सोचेंगे कि मैं किस सिचुएशन में यूज करूंगा, तो सिंपल पास्ट मीन्स व्हाट? अगर आपने जो कुछ भी कार्य कल किए और अगर आपको कोई पूछे कल आपने क्या किया, कल आपने क्या किया, हिंदी में बोलते हैं कल आपने क्या किया, तो हम बताते हैं मैंने ये किया ये किया ये किया. ओके, उन चीजों को अगर आपको इंग्लिश में बोलना है तो आप क्या बोलेंगे, उस चीज को आप समझ जाए. ठीक है. अब देखिए, उसके लिए आपको क्या करना है? फर्स्ट यू हैव टू रिकॉल ईच एंड एवरीथिंग एंड देन यू हैव टू यूज द स्ट्रक्चर सब्जेक्ट प्लस V2 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. आई प्लस V2 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. V2 मीन्स व्हाट? यू नो सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. आपको पता है मेन वर्ब के 3 फॉर्म होते हैं, फर्स्ट फॉर्म, सेकेंड फॉर्म और थर्ड फॉर्म. फर्स्ट फॉर्म गो, वेंट, गॉन. फर्स्ट फॉर्म गो हुआ, वेंट सेकेंड हुआ, थर्ड गॉन हुआ. और इस प्रकार से बहुत सारी वर्ब, जैसे कम, केम, कम, स्लीप, स्लेप, स्लेप, लाफ, 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 बिकेम, बिकेम, बिकम, बिगन, 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 बिगिन, बिगन, बिगन. A lot of verbs are there, right? Now, take the example of you are going to tell me about your yesterday's routine. आप अपना कल का मुझे yesterday routine बताने जा रहे हो, या मैं आपको अपना कल का yesterday routine बताने जा रही हूँ. तो what I will tell you, okay, my dear friends, remember some keywords here. First, get fresh. आप अगर डेली रूटीन की बात करो या प्रेजेंट में बात करो तो आप बोलते हो गेट फ्रेश, मैं फ्रेश होता हूँ. तो आप यहाँ पे क्या यूज करोगे? गॉट फ्रेश. देन आफ्टर दैट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू यूज वेकअप. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू यूज वेकअप. एट व्हाट टाइम यू वेकअप? देन वेकअप का आपका क्या हो जाएगा? वोकअप. बस वर्ब में अंतर होगा, सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. देन गेट फ्रेश, गॉट फ्रेश. देन हैव बाथ, हैड बाथ. देन हैव ब्रेकफास्ट, हैड ब्रेकफास्ट. प्रिपेयर ब्रेकफास्ट, प्रिपेयर्ड ब्रेकफास्ट. देन have lunch, had lunch. After that, take a nap, took a nap. Right? Then take rest, took rest. अगर आप थोड़ा रेस्ट ले रहे हो तो आप समझ रहे हो मेरी बात? एक तरफ मैं आपको इसको प्रेजेंट और पास्ट दोनों से कंपेयर करके दे रही हूँ. ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद में आई गो टू ऑफिस, वेंट टू ऑफिस. ओके, आई स्टार्ट माई वर्क, आई स्टार्टेड माई वर्क. और आई अटेंड माई लेक्चर, आई अटेंडेड माई लेक्चर्स. राइट? देन then I leave office, leave school, college, whatever. leave का left हो जाएगा. then I go to bed. after then you will reach home, reached home. अगर आप घर पे पहुंचे तो reached home आपको हो जाएगा. और finally आप क्या यूज करेंगे? after reaching home you have some food. अभी आप बोल रहे थे I have dinner. अब यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा आपका? I had dinner, I had dinner. देन आई वॉच टीवी यूज करें तो आई वॉच टीवी. देन आई गो टू बेड का क्या हो जाएगा? वेंट टू बेड. अभी देखो, अभी इसको हम फिर से एक फॉर्मेट लेके करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लिसन, आई एम गोइंग टू टेल अबाउट माई यस्टरडेज रूटीन. और जस्ट वी विल टेक एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ एनीबडीज. इट मे बी फॉर स्टूडेंट, इट मे बी फॉर जॉब प्रोफाइल पीपल, इट मे बी फॉर हाउस वाइफ. लिटिल बिट जो भी आएगा उसको हम लेते हुए चलते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर बोलना है तो कैसे इसको शुरू करेंगे? Good morning everyone, my name is Jyoti Singh. I am going to tell you about my yesterday's routine. Yesterday I got up early in the morning at 7 a.m. After that I got fresh. Then I had bath. Then I worshipped for some time. After that I meditated, I worshipped, I have said. Understand? Then I worshipped for some time. After that I meditated. Then I meditated for 1.5 hours. After that I started my recordings. I did some recordings, audio recordings and video recordings. After that I put some videos on YouTube. Then I read some book, read. Then I read some books. After that I have breakfast. Then again I completed some of my household work. After that again I sit for study. I studied some of my training materials. And finally I had lunch. I'm saying I had lunch at 1 p.m. After taking lunch I took rest for some time. After that I read some spiritual books, Where There Is Light by Sri Paramahansa Yoganand ji. After that I prepared some content for YouTube videos. After that, I watched my after that just I saw my notes as a glance for preparing YouTube videos, and after that I prepared some snacks for my family. Then in the evening, after that we reached till evening, I went out in garden for some time, for 10 to 15 minutes, you can say that. After coming from garden, I had some snacks. After that I watched TV from 9 to 10:30 p.m. with my family. We watched Ramayana. We all watched together daily Ramayana. After that we had dinner by 10:30 p.m. After that I again studied for some time. I read some of the books, and I prepared my notes and other things. After that I went to bed by 12 a.m. This is all about my yesterday's routine. Thank you so much. My dear friends, remember here, this was my routine. But if you are now you will say, this is not my routine, I'm a student. Okay, so what you will say? Daily you have to say, good morning everyone, my name is this. I'm going to tell you about my yesterday's routine. Yesterday I got up at this time, then I got fresh, then I had bath, then I worshipped for some time. ये सबके लिए common होगा. Then I meditated for some time. After that I left my home. फिर आप क्या बोलोगे? Then I left my home. मैंने मेरा घर छोड़ा. Let's compare. You're going to school. Then I left my home. After that I catch a rickshaw to go to station. Then I reach station at this time. After reaching station I waited for train. Then I got train at this time. After that I got down at Borivali station. Then I went to school. Then I went to office. For that I hired after getting down, I had a rickshaw or I had a public bus, BST bus, and I reached my office or my school at this time. After reaching office, I started my work. If you are going to school, after reaching school, I attended prayer. After that, I went to my class. I attended my lectures from 7 a.m. till 11 a.m. After that, we had lunch time, or then we had lunch by 11:30, 12, whatever time you are getting for lunch, you will mention. After that, if you are in office work, what you will say? Then after having lunch, what you say? Again you resume your work. So what you will say? Then I resumed my work. Then I resumed, RESUMED, resume my work. Resume my work, why? Because when you stop the work and again when you start doing it, then it is called as कार्य को पुनः स्थिति में लाना, and that's why you will use here, I resumed my work. After that, I make some calls, sales calls, or if you are a student and again you start to attend your lectures for whatever periods you are attending, you mention it. I am combining both of you, okay? So don't get confused. If you are a student, what you will use? If you are in job profile, what you will use? And if you are a housewife, again you have to mention your activity. It is applicable for everyone, whatever you are doing. It depends on you. Then I left my office by 7 p.m. After leaving office, I went to Borivali station by rickshaw. I got down at Borivali station. Then I waited for train. After that, I got a train at whatever time, at 8 p.m. Then I reached to Virar station. And after that, after reaching Virar station, I caught a rickshaw to go to my home. I reached my home by 9 p.m. After reaching home, I took some rest. Then I had some snacks and a cup of coffee. After that, I watched TV for some time. Then I went to bed, or I spent some time with my family or with my children. After that, I went to bed. This is all about my yesterday's routine. My dear friends, understand what you have to do. If you are talking in any sense, whether in present or past, first and foremost thing is that you mention each and every activity. Do not delete a single activity, because if you will be able to speak each and every activity, then you will be able to get fluency. And if you will delete the activities, then you will be not able to get fluency. Because my dear friends, if you can speak in Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi, everything, each and every love details. For spoken English, I'll say love details. Okay, love detail means what here? Just mention each and every activity. And my dear friend, most of the time you think in your mother tongue, but what else is you think here in English. Okay, if you are learning English, you think in English, you translate all those things, and I have given you some conversational sentences also. Please learn all those sentences. That will help you a lot for getting fluency over it. Okay, so I hope you would like this lecture, and if you liked it, if you loved it, please give your comment, share this video, like and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. If you want such more topics, then please update me. Thank you. Love you all.